minutes we have literally an offline LLM on our computer. This thing is so legit. Alrighty guys, we're gonna download Ollama onto our freaking Windows PC right here. We're gonna have it running locally. You're gonna click onto download right there. It's gonna download into your guys's PC or whatever you're running with. Go into your IDE, type in Ollama, make sure it's there. Yep. All you really have to do too is download it as well. Go to the GitHub, check out their README on there, and that really is all it is. Unless you have Linux, obviously, you just type in that line of code, and that's how you get it going. Then in order to run it, we have multiple libraries we're working with here. I have a few already downloaded, so we're probably gonna run with those, but you can go through there and see which ones work best for you. Type in here Ollama LS to get your actual versions that you have right there. So alrighty, running Ollama Uncensored is the United States in a weird economic state. I'm gonna ask this with multiple ones to see kind of what comes up with it. This is all done off the internet too. You can see down there in the bottom, I am not on the internet at all, just to make this thing run faster. Run faster. Sip my coffee and let that. Alright, I'm pulling up old Mistral here. Old Mistral. It gives you a lot more information here. You can see it's absolutely ripping it off. Oh yes. Look at there. Yeah, a little bit more information that's going to delegate to us too, because it does have a little bit more economics built into it, because it's economical. And look at that, in a matter of minutes we have literally an offline LLM on our computer. Always like and subscribe.